Get ready for the dictation. In our view, the High Court had failed to appreciate that the corporation, being the employer, is the best to judge to decide whether the appellant had discharged the responsibilities on the administrative side, and once the corporation came to a finding that the appellant had discharged not only the duties of an X-ray technician but also the performed clerical administrative work, particularly in view of the admitted fact that since 1984 no post of clerks was created in the BJP/BP referral hospital. The High Court was not justified in concluding that the appellant did not possess the administrative experience of more than 10 years. Stop. As noted herein earlier, respondents 2 and 3 who had filed the writ petition before the High Court challenging the appointment of the appellant were themselves unsuccessful in the examination, even though they claimed that they had passed the written examination but failed in the interview. Stop. Since the names of respondents 2 and 3 who were the writ petitioners before the High Court did not figure in the merit list, in our view, it was not open to them to challenge the said selection list and the appointment of the appellant before the High Court. Stop. It is not in dispute that the respondents 2 and 3 as well as the appellant were all found eligible in the light of the marks obtained in the written test to be called for the oral interview. Stop. Up to this stage, there was no doubt. Stop. The respondents 2 and 3 and the appellant appeared before the committee constituted by the corporation for conducting the oral interview. Stop. The respondents 2 and 3 could not clear the oral interview and were not selected, whereas the appellant was found successful and accordingly selected. Stop. Therefore, there cannot be any dispute that only because the respondents 2 and 3 could not get selected and named in the final merit list as a result of their combined performance both in the written test as well as in the oral interview, they challenged the appointment of the appellant and other selected candidates by moving the writ petition. Stop. Such being the position, we are of the view that the High Court was not justified in exercising its power. Stop.